Assalamualaikum. We are from Group A. Want to present to you about our library management system. So without wasting time, let's get through about our system. Our program is called the Sultanah Bahiyah Library Management System. Before this, the library used manual ways to keep track of books, which often caused mistakes and took a lot of time to manage many books. It also could lead to errors, missing records, and confusion. So with this system, it will solve those problems by automating the process to make it more easier and efficiency. This system also designed for everyone who uses the library, for example like students, UN staff and others. So with this system, it can make our library management system to be more efficient, user-friendly and accessible for everyone. Okay, so we move on to the next part. Firstly, we use the get choice method to get the user choice, and each option has a specific task. Here, we use a switch case structure to make the program simple and easy to use. The user can enter the input, which is number 1 until 5. If the user types something that is not a number, like letter, symbol, or a number that beyond number 5, the program gives a message asking them to try again. So, why is this happening? It happens because the system will check if the input is a number that using scanner has an INT. Then the system will clear the wrong input that the user put a while ago, and it will keep asking until the user enters a correct number. And once they do, the method returns that number, so the program can continue without any problems. So we could see that this setup keeps everything clear and makes this program easy to use.
Okay, so next I will explain about display menu method, which is we use public static void display menu because we do not returning any value. So we also use system out.println to display library management system, and 1 until 5 choice, which is 1 add a new book, 2 remove a book, 3 search for a book, 4 list all books, and 5 exit. And last one, we also display select your choice, which is after that the user need to select 1 until 5 choice that the user want. Okay, next I will explain about case 1, which is add book method. This code allows user to add books to a library system while ensuring smooth operation. First, it checks if the library is full and stops if no space is left. If then asks the user how many books they want to add and ensure the input is valid, that we can load at Y and if statement. So, if the requested number exists, the available space, it adjusts the number accordingly. For each book, the system asks for its name and check if it already exists in the library. If it does, the book is skipped. Otherwise, it's added to the list. Finally, it's confirmed that the book has been added successfully.
Okay, moving on to remove sections, which I have 5 points to talk about the coding, which is first, we need to know if there is book in the library or not. So we write if book count equals to 0, and then the system print out no book in the library to remove. Okay, second one, we want the user to enter the name of the book they want to remove. So SOP, enter the name of the book to remove, and then we have to do the coding so that the user can enter the name of the books, like string book name equal to scanner.next line. 4 functions in this system is to check all the books in the book array if it has a same book that the user enter or not. And then if you see the equals ignore case in this system, it is functions to ignore the specific case, which mean uppercase or lowercase. If the book match with what the user type, it will automatically remove one book. And then if the book were found and removed successfully, a success message will display like what we write, book removed successfully. And if not, system will print that book not found. Next is a search book, which we want to search for the book that we just add in the library. First, we need to check whether it has a book in the library or not. So we write if book count equals to 0, then we print system out print no book in the library to search, and then we return. Next, we want the user to input the name of the book to search. So we write enter SOP, enter the name of book to search. The if function in this coding are functions to check whether the input that user add same or not as the book in the library. If the book match, the system will out print book found plus the book name, or else the book not found. And then end of the search book.
Furthermore, for list book method, we also use public void list book and system.out.println to display welcome to list book session. We also use if statement and book condition equal to 0 as the condition that will execute no books in the library. But if the user enter other number than 0, the books in the library will appear and the program will list all the books that user entered before. That we as shown that we use for statement that will look again.
To exiting our program, we create a case 5, which is we print out the exiting the program and goodbye to user. So if the user want to exiting the program, they have to choose case 5.
Now, let's look at the several outputs that have been displayed in our Sultanah Bahiyah library system. Upon starting the program, the user is greeted with a welcome message that introduces them to the library Sultanah Bahiyah, and the user is presented with a menu of offering several options such as adding a book, removing a book, searching for a book, listing all books, or exiting the program. The user is prompted to select one of these options by entering the number that they wanted. Next, the second output or the second step if the user selects the option to add a book. So, they are asked first how many books they would like to add. After providing the number, the user is prompted to enter the name of each book. The system checks whether the books already exist in the library to prevent duplicates. If no duplicates are found, the book is added to the library and the program confirms that the successful addition of the books. Furthermore, when the user selects option 2, which is remove a book, the user can select the option to remove a book that they are asked to provide the name of the book that they wish or want to remove. The program will search in the library for that specific book. If found, the book will be removed and the system will confirm its successful removal. If the book is not found, the user is informed that the book could not be located. Moreover, when the user selects option 3, which is to search for a book that has already been added previously, the system will execute a search operation. If the book is found in database or list, the output will display a message indicating that the book has been found successfully. Aside from that, if the user select the option to search for a book that the book is not found, then the program will notify the user that the book could not be found. Besides that, if the user select option 4 to list all books in the library, the program will display a list of all books currently available. If no books are in the library, the program will notify the user that the library is empty. Last but not least, when the user select the option 5 to exit, the program will display a message saying exiting the program, goodbye. This message serves as a farewell and indicates that the session is being terminated. I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching this video. Until we meet again, and Assalamualaikum. Bye.